Hi everyone. Today I'll be giving you a quick peek behind the curtain at how some of these videos are made, but more importantly, at Quartermaster we're a big fan of asynchronous meetings, meaning that we don't need to all schedule our time to align and have conversations. We do this using Loom. So similar to this video, you see a bit of the meta aspect here, but I created a quick video kind of going through our website. But I want to showcase some of the features behind this that your organization might be able to use. So Loom is a video recording platform that allows you to be able to share these videos either on YouTube, but also internally, just sharing between teammates to talk about things without the need to have a meeting. So looking at the back end here, we are at the end of recording a video. You can tell that we can create a title as well as add variables. So if I want to say, "Good morning, Sam," I would actually be able to click on here and Loom video for, say, Sam, enter names here. And so when I do this, if I share this with Sam specifically afterwards, this would be a personalized video to him. If that's not required, you can simply copy the link and share it with individuals. But that is a fun, neat feature that you can do to be able to really personalize the content of these. So that's kind of the quick first feature here. More importantly, looking at this, as you're watching this, you're able to comment as the conversation goes on. And as the creative video, I'm actually receiving these as others are kind of creating these comments. Or you can record a comment. Now this is where we use it for asynchronous conversations. You can actually respond to this video with a 5-minute video, really reducing the need to have that meeting and be able to have a conversation back and forth through videos, be able to speak in nuances that sometimes text doesn't capture. And so if this would be useful to your organization, definitely highly recommend checking out Loom. Quickly here, you'll see that you can actually edit the video either through transcription, just kind of a trim and stitch, or add documents and buttons. You can also upgrade to do Loom AI, where they'll remove some of the ums and the ahs within your video to make it a bit more watchable. So activities we've already looked at. You can actually write text comments as well if needed, or emojis as seen down below here. Next up, we have the transcript. You can see some of the nonsense I created for this video, just allowing people to be able to scan through without kind of watching the whole thing. If it's a long video, also has a reference to make sure that you can kind of re-reference where they last spoke about something, if let's say you're creating a document and need a piece of information. Next up, you can see whether people have viewed this, how many people have viewed it, have they opened, commented, so fun statistics to make sure that it's reached the intended target. And then lastly, there's some settings here to be able to modify that. So if you haven't checked out Loom, I highly recommend it for any organization. Alrighty, cheers.